Has Elisabeth Fritzl been able to rebuild her relationships with her family members?
Hello and welcome. Today, we're going to delve into an important topic, the journey of Elisabeth Fritzl and her process of rebuilding relationships with her family members following her ordeal. Elisabeth Fritzl was a victim of an unthinkable crime, imprisoned by her own father for 24 years in a cellar, where she gave birth to 7 children. After her liberation in 2008, she faced the daunting task of reintegrating into society and rebuilding relationships with her family.
Who is Elisabeth Fritzl?
To understand Elisabeth Fritzl's story, it's crucial to know who she is and the horrifying circumstances she endured. Elisabeth was held captive by her father, Joseph Fritzl, for 24 years in Amstetten, Austria. During her captivity, she bore 7 children through the sexual abuse perpetrated by her father. When Elisabeth and her children were finally rescued in 2008, they had to confront an entirely new world and set about the task of re-establishing their lives.
How has Elisabeth Fritzl's relationship with her family evolved?
After her rescue, Elisabeth and her children were provided therapy and support to help them cope with their traumatic past and adapt to the outside world. During this period, she reconnected with her mother, Rosemary, who claimed she was unaware of the abuse that Elisabeth had suffered. Elisabeth's relationship with her family is understandably complex and sensitive. As of my knowledge cutoff in September 2021, Elisabeth and her children live under a new identity in a secret location to protect their privacy. They have continued to receive support and therapy to help rebuild their lives. It's important to respect their privacy and appreciate that the details of their current relationships may be confidential.
What challenges has Elisabeth Fritzl faced in rebuilding relationships?
Rebuilding relationships after such a traumatic experience is a massive challenge. Elisabeth not only had to reconnect with her mother, but she also had to build relationships with her children, some of whom had been raised by her parents believing she was their sister. Understanding and empathy are essential in this process. Elisabeth and her children needed to deal with the emotional aftermath of their shared trauma while simultaneously building a normal life. Trust, undoubtedly, plays a significant role in their journey. In conclusion, Elisabeth Fritzl's journey towards rebuilding her relationships with her family members is one filled with challenges and complexities. As of my last knowledge update in 2021, there isn't much public information regarding the current state of these relationships due to the family's much-deserved privacy. This emphasizes the crucial nature of respect for their privacy as they continue on their path to healing and recovery. Elisabeth Fritzl's story is a stark reminder of resilience and the power of the human spirit. We hope this video has provided valuable insights into her journey. Thanks for watching.